Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel today. We're getting a first look at the highly anticipated all-new 2025 Hyundai Kona Electric. Hyundai has been a leader in the electric vehicle (EV) market, and the Kona Electric has been a popular choice for those seeking a stylish and practical EV option. But for 2025, Hyundai has revamped the Kona Electric from the ground up, promising an even more exciting driving experience. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 Kona Electric is its striking new design language. Hyundai has ditched the Kona's previous cute and quirky look for a more aggressive and futuristic aesthetic. The front end features a bold new grille design with integrated LED daytime running lights. The headlights themselves are sleek and modern, and the overall impression is one of a car that means business. The side profile of the Kona Electric is clean and sculpted, with sharp character lines that add a touch of dynamism. The new Kona also sits on larger wheels, which further enhance its bold stance. Around back, the taillights are now horizontal units that stretch across the tailgate, giving the Kona Electric a wider and more planted appearance. Overall, the new design is a significant departure from the previous Kona Electric, and it's sure to turn heads wherever you go. Estimates suggest a range of around 300 miles on a single charge, which would put the Kona Electric in competition with some of the best EVs on the market. The all-new 2025 Hyundai Kona Electric is a compelling option for anyone looking for a stylish, efficient, and practical EV. With its bold new design, advanced technology, and impressive range, the Kona Electric is sure to be a hit with drivers of all ages. So, if you're in the market for a new EV, be sure to check out the 2025 Hyundai Kona Electric. It might just be the perfect car for you. Thanks for joining us on this look at the all-new 2025 Hyundai Kona Electric. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more electric vehicle news and reviews.